Question number 22 of exercise 3.4. This question is basically all about calculator. You have given an equation that is y is equal to 5e to the power 0.2x, and there are two parts in the question. And the first part, you have to find the value of y when x is given, and in the second part, that is part B, you have to find the value of x when y is given, and y is basically 12. So I am solving the second part. We have to find the value of x when the value of y is basically 12. We have the equation in front of us. It is mentioned in the question, that is y is equals to 5e to the power 0.2x, 0.2x. So we just have to put the values. We have y is equals to 12, so we will put the value of y 12. I put the value of y 12 to 12 is equals to 5e to the power 0.2x. I know that this 5 is being multiplied, it will get divided on other side. 12 divided by 5 will be 2.4, and this e to the power 0.2x will remain as it is. Now I have to put down this value because I have to find the value of x. So e is there, so I can take ln on both sides. So this will be ln 2.4 equals to ln e to the power 0.2x, and using the calculator you can find out the value of ln 2.4, that is 0.875, and applying the property of log, this point 0.2x will come down. This will be 0.2x ln e. I know that ln e is 1 because ln is a log with base e, and when the base and the argument is same, the answer is always 1. And now this is 1, so this will be 0.2x, and since I have to find the value of x, I have to shift this 0.2 on the other side. It will get divided by 0.875 divided by 0.2, and the value of x will be equals to 4.377. So this was the second part. I have left the first part for you guys, and you can practice that part as well. Question number 23 is basically we have to express y in terms of x, and we don't have to give an exact answer. We just have to give an equation that is basically relating y in terms of x. The question is, it has several parts, and I'm just solving three parts, A, C, and D in this video. The first part is basically 10 to the power y equals to x plus 1. So we have 10 to the power y, and we have to express y in terms of x, so we have to bring this y downward. And since we know that in order to bring y, since it is in the power, so we have to bring that down, and we can apply log. Since there is no e on both the sides, so we'll be going for lg, that is log with the base 10. So lg 10 to the power y equals to lg x plus 1, taking log on both sides, and the property of log will bring this y downward. This y will get in the front. This will be y equals to lg10 equals to lg x plus 1, and I know that lg10 is basically log with the base 10 and argument 10 equals to 1. So this will be 1, and y multiplied by 1 will be y, so y will be equals to lg x plus 1. So this is the required equation because this equation is y in terms of x, so we will not have to solve it further. This is our required answer. The next question, that is question number C, is basically ln y plus 1 equals to x. And again, we have to express y in terms of x, so we have to keep y on one side and everything on the other side, and we know that this is basically in form of ln. So we can convert this ln form into index form, and we can convert it by, we know that the base of ln is e. So this e, the base will be e, and this will be the power. So x will come in the power, and this will become the argument, that is y plus 1. So this will be y plus 1 equals to ex. We have just converted that into index form. This is basically the log form, and we have converted this log form into the index form, and we know that we have to make the base same. We know that the base is e, so e, the equals to is the power, so this will come in the power x, and this will be the argument. So y plus 1 equals to e to the power x, and now since I have to find the value of y in terms of x, so plus 1 will be shifted on the other side, and it will be subtracted, and the final answer will be y is equals to e to the power x minus 1. Remember, we just have converted this into the index form. हमने सिर्फ इसको index form में convert किया and we have got our answer. तो अगर log नहीं है क्वेश्चन में तो हमें log लेना पड़ेगा, और अगर log है तो हमें उसको index form में convert करेगा. This is the strategy of question number 23. अगर log है क्वेश्चन में तो उसको index form में convert कर दो, और अगर वो index form में है तो उसको log form में convert कर दो, taking log on both sides. तो पार्ट नंबर डी में हमें लॉग नजर आ रहा है. ठीक है, हमें लॉग नजर आ रहा है, एल जी वाई नजर आ रहा है हमें. तो पहले हम ये काम करते हैं कि इस 2 को जो है वी आर शिफ्टिंग दिस 2 ऑन द अदर साइड. तो यहाँ ये 2 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, बेसिकली दूसरी साइड पे जाके ये 2 डिवाइड हो जाएगा, तो दिस विल बी एक्स माइनस 2/2. और फिर ये एल जी वाई है, मुझे वाई की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो आई विल कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू माय इंडेक्स फॉर्म. मुझे पता है कि लॉग जो है वो बेसिकली ऐसा लॉग है, एल जी जो है इसकी बेस 10 होती है, तो बेस मेरी 10 हो जाएगी और ये पूरी पावर में चला जाएगा. जब मैं ये पावर में शिफ्ट करूंगा तो मैं इसको थोड़ा सा अरेंज कर रहा हूँ कि मैं 1/2 पहले लिख देता हूँ और एक्स माइनस 2 को बाद में लिख देता हूँ, और यहाँ से मेरे पास वाई बच जाएगा जो कि आर्ग्यूमेंट में आ जाएगा. तो वाई विल बी इक्वल टू 10. ये वाई बेसिकली आर्ग्यूमेंट है जो कि पहले आ जाएगा. तो वाई की वैल्यू जो है वो बेसिकली क्या हो जाएगी, 10 to the power ½ एक्स माइनस 2. इसको फर्दर नहीं सॉल्व करना है, वी जस्ट हैव टू एक्सप्रेस वाई इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स. सो दिस इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. So this was question number 23. In question number 23, you just have to apply the index form and the log form. If the question is already in the log form, then convert it into index form. And if the question is in the index form, take log on both sides or convert it into log form to get the required or the desired answer. Remember one thing, we just have to express y in terms of x. हमें कोई proper exact answer नहीं चाहिए, हमें सिर्फ एक expression ऐसी equation चाहिए जो y और x को relate करेगी. सो आई होप ये तीनों पार्ट्स आपको क्लियर हो गए होंगे, थोड़ा सा समझ में आ गया होगा कॉन्सेप्ट किस तरह का है. इसमें और भी पार्ट्स हैं क्वेश्चन में, तो आई होप आप उन क्वेश्चंस को ट्राई करोगे, और अगर फिर कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो डू लेट मी नो. आई विल ट्राई टू हेल्प यू गाइस.